Welcome to Ditta-Seria, based in Starach, near the new town of Bylica. Ditta-Seria is a Polish company operating on the domestic and European market since 1992. The company's fields of operations are 5 main production areas: steel structures, tanks and silos, truck scales, tipplers and ramps, as well as horticultural machines. The main area of business is the construction of halls and production of specialized steel structures. We complete orders starting from visual design in our design office, which consists of experienced architects and designers. The production of construction components is performed in modern production halls with an area of over 10,000 square meters, equipped with 12 overhead cranes with a lifting capacity up to 20 tons. We have our own assembly teams realizing all our constructions. The company belongs to a group of most modern Polish producers of tanks and silos for the industry. Ditta-Seria is also a leading manufacturer of truck scales, producing more than 2,000 scales on the European market. In addition, the current production includes over 40 types of machines for agricultural and horticultural purposes. Our offer is addressed to companies and individual clients seeking a high-quality product. We invite you to contact and cooperate